Good morning, my dear students. Are you doing well? How is organic chemistry? So just concentrate. Okay, no problem. Just concentrate and do 2 or 3 times compulsory. So any formula is there, once practice them. Okay. So IUPAC nomenclature before class started. Yesterday I started. Now continuation of IUPAC nomenclature. Don't forget, these are very important. So these are so many basic points is there in IUPAC nomenclature. So now continuation of IUPAC nomenclature. Yesterday rule number 4 or 5. I thought maybe 5. Okay, number no need. Next rule 5. Having double bonds. Organic compound containing double bond with substituent. First preference to double bond direction. I given some examples. Suppose another example. Example 1. CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3, okay, and CH2, and Cl, and CH3. Which direction better? Left to right or right? Double bond direction important, not the direction. Here second carbon, but here not considered. Double bond, in this direction double bond 4, in this direction double bond second. Which direction correct? Left to right correct. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First chloro, C first. So 5 chloro hyphen 4 methyl. 5 chloro 4 methyl. Total how many? 6. Hexene. Don't write hexene. Hexene. 5 chloro 4 methyl hexene. Next. Example 2. If double bond organic compound containing, if compound can double bond 2 times is there, naming diene like that. Diene 2 times name also repeated. Example CH3, CH. Next to CH double bond CH3. In this case, here carbon satisfied, here carbon satisfied. Okay. Here hydrogens CH3, CH double bond, CH double bond. Okay. Okay. In this case, second carbon double bond, fourth carbon double bond. In this is any direction equal. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any direction equal. In this direction 2 plus 4, 6. In this direction 2 plus 4, 6. Any direction equal. Any direction correct. Here numbering. Any direction okay. So total how many carbons? 6. X 2, 4 diene. X 2, 4 diene. X 2, 4 diene. Okay, next example, another example 3. Any direction numbering equal 1, 2, 3, 4. This direction also. Any direction equal. In this direction also 1, 3. In this direction also 1, 3. Anyone correct. So total how many? 4. Bute 1, 3 diene. Bute 1, 3 diene. Some books they mentioned 1, 3 butadiene mentioned. Previous old concept. Nowadays we are using that correct name. We can write bute 1, 3 diene. Bute 1, 3 diene. So the name. Next, rule number 6. Having triple bond. Organic compound containing triple bond. How can write the structure? How can name? So having triple bond. Rule number 6. So rule number 6 simply having triple bond. Triple bond means pronunciation I. Organic compound contain triple bond, importance of triple bond direction. Suppose simply example 1, CH3, CH2, C triple bond, CH3 is there. Total how many carbons? 5 carbons. In this direction numbering 1, 2, 3. In this direction triple bond 3. In this direction 2. Which direction correct? These are all in this direction correct. So I will take number. We will keep numbering right to left correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is pento. Pent, second pent 2-ine or 2-pentane. Pent 2-ine or 2-pentane. 2-pentane. Pent 2-ine or 2-pentane. 2-pentane. It is a better. Pent 2-ine. Pent 2-ine. Next, example 2. Example 2. Suppose any direction equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 any direction equal. That means but 2-ine. But 2-ine or 2-butane. Or 2-butane. Both names correct, but maximum books they mentioned of but 2-ine correct. It is also correct. First refer to but 2-ine. But 2-ine. Example 3. CH3, C, CH3, CH, CH2, C triple bond, CH. Compulsory triple bond direction required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth carbon, 4-methyl, 4-methyl, pent 1-9. Or simply another name is simply 4-methyl pentane. 4-methyl pentane. 4-methyl pentane. Because 1 is nothing. 4-methyl pent 1-9 correct or 4-methyl pentane. 4-methyl pentane. So that is answer. So these are triple bond and double bond. Separate. Organic compound contain triple bond means one type of rule. Double bond means now this rule, organic compound containing double bond and triple bond at a time. In organic compound containing both double bond and triple bond. How can write the structure and name also. Rule number 7. Compound having double bond and triple bond. Compound having double bond and triple bond. How can? Suppose example 1. In this case, lowest sum rule required. Lowest sum rule required. Lowest sum rule. The lowest sum rule means in this direction double bond second carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 5, 7. In this direction 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. Which one is better? These are wrong, these are 5. So organic compound containing double bond and triple bond in this case, lowest sum rule required. Double bond number, triple bond number, sum of double bond and triple bond position required. Here in this case, I wrote left to right, right to left. Left to right 7 will come. In this direction, right to left 5 will come. Which one is correct? Lowest sum rule means, so I took left to right to left direction correct. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First carbon triple bond. Second carbon is there. First carbon required. One carbon and fourth carbon. One carbon and fourth carbon. That means name. Total how many carbons? 6. 6 means eggs. Compulsory double first name importance double bond naming. Pronunciation. Naming means double bond, after that triple bond. So eggs 4-ene. Don't write here ene. Ene means completed. Here completed, not completed. Last ine is there. Eggs 4-ene and 1 ine. Eggs 4-ene and 1 ine. Eggs 4-ene and 1 ine. They are correct. Eggs 1 ine 4-ene. So that is wrong. Eggs 4-ene. First double bond name required. Double bond name. First double bond, after that triple bond. Eggs 4-ene. Don't write ene. It is also correct. Or another one is like that same. Eggs 4-ene 1-9. It is also wrong because don't write ene. If double bond completed or not completed, sentence not completed. If sentence completed, if sentence not completed, sentence completed when completed with ine. Here correct. So here correct. So here middle double bond is there. You keep. You will write en, not ene. So these are one of the example. Okay. Write down another. Here example 2. Total 5 carbons. Sorry. Total 5 carbons. Here lowest sum rule required. Lowest sum rule required. In this direction 1 plus 1 2 3 4. 1 plus 4 5. In this direction 1 plus 4 5. Any direction equal. Any direction equal, but in this case double bond direction is correct. Why? Actually triple bond, double bond, which one first will come? Double bond will come. After that triple bond. Any direction equal means importance double bond. Listen, that point very important. So organic compound containing double bond and triple bond, triple bond, any direction, both have same value, but importance to double bond direction importance, not triple bond direction. In this case compulsory double bond importance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That name is pent 1-ene, and 4-ine. Pent 1-ene and 4-ine also. Pent 1-ene and 4-ine. That is the lowest sum rule. So write down the sentence. Next example 3. Here second carbon 2. Actually double bond, triple bond required. Okay. In this case, which direction correct? Here second double bond, second, third, 4, 5. Here second 5, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Which direction correct? In this direction numbering correct. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case, compulsory first to substitute name. 2-chloro. Eggs 1-ene and 5-ine, that name. 2-chloro, 2-chloro, hexavalene, 2-chloro, hexavalene and 4 iron. 2-chloro, total how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means hex. 2-chloro, hex, 1 ene and 4 iron. 1 ene and 4 iron, that name. Okay, students, my dear students. So these are double bond, triple bond, like that, this type of. Next, very important, organic compound having functional group. Functional group means separate tabular form I will give. Organic compound having functional group, that importance, functional group direction. No need of another direction. Organic compound having functional group, we will give numbering for functional group direction. Now I will give functional group list. Compound having functional group. The tabular form important. Functional group. Secondary prefix. Secondary suffix. We want a suffix. Order I am giving. Carboxylic acids. COOH. Carboxy. Here oic acid. These points important. Next, sulfonic acid. SO3H. Sulfo. Here sulfonic acid. These are required UPAC names. Secondary prefix after that I will say. Ester. COOR. Here alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. Here alkoxy carboxy. Alkoxy carboxy or alkoxy carboxy. Carb alkoxy. Alkoxy carboxy, no. Alkoxy carboxy. Ester. Acid halides. Acid halides. COX. Haloformyl. Haloformyl or halocarbonyl. Haloformyl, halocarbonyl. Here OL halide. OL halides. These points important. Esters, acid halides. Next, amides. Amides. CONH2. First we want these names. When I am giving here organic compound contain two functional group means one of prefix, one suffix. Like that order. I am giving order. This tabular form time required. This tabular form time required. We can concentrate 2 or 3 days this tabular form compulsory. They are very, very important tabular form. You don't know. amides, carboxy, carbamoyl, carbamoyl, carbamoyl. Write down. So write down. Amides. First carboxyl, order also important. Carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, esters, acid halide, amides. After that, write down first. Cyanides. Cyanide means nitrile. Nitrile, nitrile. Here cyano. Here CN. Isocyanide. Isocyanides. NC. Here. Isocyano. Here. Carbylamine. Carbylamine. Next, aldehyde, CHO, here all, here formyl, formyl or aldo. Ketone, ketone means CO, here keto or oxo, here one, ONE one. Next, alcohol, OH, here hydroxy, here OL, OL. Aldehyde, all, alcohol, OL. Note this point. Aldehyde means CHO, all, ALR. Alcohol means OH, OL, OL. Alcohol. Thioalcohol, thioalcohol. Thioalcohol means SH. Here thiol, here thiol, here mercapto, mercapto. Mercapto. Okay, cyanides, isocyanide, aldehyde, ketones, alcohol, thioalcohols. Next, write down. Next, amines. Amines. NH2. NH2. Amino. These are amines. Next, ethers. Alkoxy. Here ethers. Here alkoxy alkane. Alkoxy alkane. Here not there, here ethers. Alkenes. Carbon carbon double bond. Carbon carbon double bond. Ene. Alkynes. Carbon carbon triple bond. Ine. Next, NO2. Nitro. Nitro. Here also nitro. Here also nitro. here last term X halogens means X, here halo, here also not there. Okay, so these are different types of functional groups. Actually up to here enough, my dear students, up to here enough, these are no need, some cases. So these are functional group. Which functional group acts as a suffix, prefix? When a prefix using, two functional group is there, one functional group suffix, one functional prefix. By using order, don't forget, these are order also important. You can concentrate order, tabular form order also required. Tabular form. Anyone compare to remaining? First in the tabular form, which one is first? Carboxylic acid first. IUPAC name of carboxylic acid in suffix name required. Suffix name is oic acid. Acid's oic name is oic acid. Alcohols ol. Aldehyde al. Ketones one. Esters alkyl alkanoid. Amides amide. This type of names very very important. You concentrate suffix names. Prefix names next. First important suffix names very very important. Okay, so these are different types of organic compounds. Anyway, organic compound containing functional group, first importance, first we will give numbering for functional group direction. Functional group direction. First concentrate tabular form. First dear students, you can write first practice the tabular form 3 or 4 times and prepare. So first day, so 1 hour or 2 hours, first page and the second page like that. So don't forget, these are tabular form, remembering for all formulas and names also. So in the tabular form functional groups, first we want suffix names, after that prefix names. First you can concentrate thoroughly suffix names, after that prefix names. So these are all functional group. Anyway, organic compound containing functional group, the numbering from functional group direction, the numbering from functional group direction. Okay students, up to today this concept IUPAC nomenclature, these concepts enough, and the remaining concept. So remaining, after that I will give IUPAC nomenclature of functional group. Remaining points tomorrow I will explain. Okay students, thank you for all.